Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a perfect image prompt. First of all, open up the browser. Now after that, you will have to type in your browser Leonardo AI. After that, hit enter. And after that, you will have to go to Leonardo AI's website. Now once you're at the website, you will have to create yourself an account. Now once in your Leonardo AI, click on this fine-tuned models window right here on the left side. Now in here, you will have to select a model of your choice. For example, I'm just going to go for this 3D animation style one and click on generate with this model. Now after that, you will be in this window right here. Now after that, click on prompt generation right here. Now this window right here tells you what prompt generation does. This tool will allow you to come up with more complex prompt ideas from a single prompt. Example, if you type in a car and click ideate, it will come up with a number of more complex concepts which include a car. From here, you can select the number of prompts to generate. I'm just going to leave it at 4. And after that, you will have to type in your basic prompt idea. A teenage boy playing with his dog in the park. I'm just gonna put some extra stuff, for example, 3D ultra realistic. After that, click on ideate. So here are your 4 prompts. So here are your 4 detailed prompts from the basic prompt that you provided. The first one being that a teenage boy with contagious smile throwing a frisbee for his energetic golden retriever in the lush green park, rendered in stunning 3D with ultra realistic textures and lighting. And these 3 are here as well. Now what you can do with them now is just click on generate and Leonardo AI will generate an image using these prompt right here, or you can also just copy this prompt and go to another image generator of your liking and paste it here and generate your image from there. I'm just gonna click on generate here. So Leonardo AI will generate it for me. So Leonardo AI has generated my image using the detailed prompt it provided. Everything else in the picture looks fine except the frisbee, which doesn't really look like a frisbee, but the rest of the picture is good. So that's pretty much it, and that's how you can create detailed prompts for your image generation. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.